Hello YouTube, what is up? This is Sneef and today I'm gonna be telling you about the best free Android screen recorder in 2020 with less or no lag. So let's get started.
Wow!
In order to download the app, first of all you wanna go to the Play Store and search for screen recorder. Once you've done that, it would appear at the third number as named as AZ Screen Recorder. If it does not show up, you will just search for AZ Screen Recorder and then you should download it because it is by far one of the best screen recorders that you can get on Android. It has very less lag and it has a fairly nice resolution for what you can get on a low-end Android. So that was all for today. This was a sneak from Those Post Gaming and Tech.